Dear all, we talk about module number 36 of a strategic human resource management. In this module, we will continue to talk about the concept of fit in strategic human resource management. There are another three dimensions of fit in strategic human resource management. We talked about fit as a moderation, fit as mediation, fit as matching. The fourth dimension is fit as gestalts. What is fit as gestalts? Or what is the purpose or what is the meaning of gestalt? Gestalt is an organized whole that is perceived as more than the sum of its parts. अगर आप किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को देखें एज अ होल and if you try the sum of its parts, as organization as a whole is bigger than, or when the organization is bigger than the sum of its parts, we say there is a synergy between different parts of the organization that make the whole as a greater, or that make the whole as a larger than the sum of its parts. या दूसरे लफ्ज़ों में जो आपने सुना होगा, या अक्सर एक दूसरे से हम बात करते हुए कहते हैं कि जब 2 जमा 2 5 हो जाए, हाउ इट इज़ पॉसिबल? वी से इट इज़ इन दिस वे. जैसे हम कहें कि कोई आप काम करें तो उसमें जो आप एफर्ट्स कर रहे होते हैं, that can make it happen that the X amount of efforts plus the X amount of motivation or the investment might make the whole bigger than what you were expecting. So, fit as a gestalt actually suggests that the pieces of a puzzle must be put together. An organization is a complex entity. It is very hard to examine what is an organization. Let's say two organizations of a same size, same number of products, even if the type of products are same, even if the number of employees are same, even if the prices are same, still both wouldn't be able to achieve the same amount of sales or revenue. So this is a puzzle, that what an organization has and how it fits gestalt or gestalted together. So here no direct causation is implied, and a conceptual explanation of a fit is found in a hierarchical theory. What we mean by that? जो fit as a moderation हमने देखा या fit as a mediation हमने देखा, that implies some kind of causality. Causality means कि हम कहते हैं कि इससे ये होता है और इससे ये होता है. It's not true in reverse. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आप ये कहें कि सैलरी इंक्रीज होने से परफॉर्मेंस इंक्रीज होती है, डू यू बिलीव दैट द रिवर्स कॉजैलिटी इज आल्सो पॉसिबल? द आंसर इज यस. बाज़ औक़ात ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस की जब परफॉर्मेंस बढ़ती है तो वो फिर सैलरी भी इंक्रीज करती है. तो दिस इज रिवर्स कॉजैलिटी. इन एनी वे, इन दिस कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ गेस्टाल्ट, वी आर नॉट थिंकिंग अबाउट, or we are not questioning about the causality. It is fit of different parts of the organization that make the whole greater than the sum of its part. A lot of organizations and researchers have investigated this. We talk about the fifth type of fit in the strategic human resource management. This is fit as a profile deviation. In the fit as a moderation, or other types of moderation, we have talked about structure and strategy. Structure is internal part of the organization. The organization का एक hierarchy है, that is the internal part of the organization. या आपने employees की reporting hierarchy या accountability या आपने responsibility किस तरीके से design की हुई है, different types or different designs of the organization. But here, when we talk about fit as a profile deviation, we talk about the external environment of the organization. How much you deviate from the external environment. every industry has its own environment. Pharmaceutical industries has some kind of environment which is different from the education sector or the education industry. In the education sector, the university or the schools, they have a different structure. Similarly, the fast-moving consumer products, this industry has a different environment. So every industry has a unique environment. One organization in a particular industry, how much it deviate from its environment. So we say this perspective views fit as the degree of adherence, that is alignment or fit, to an externally specified profile, that is the outer part of the organization. So this is, in other words, the strategy and co-alignment. Environment and strategy, co-alignment. How much your strategy is different from the strategies of those who are operating their business within the same industry. How much you are deviating in your industry from the practices of the other industry members. Last thing, fit as a covariation. In a very simple words, you understand what is a covariation. Covary, when with the change in one variable, there is a change in another variable. It can be negative, it can be positive. For example, with the increase in one variable, there might be a decrease in one variable. There might be a decrease in one variable and other variable also decreases. For example, decrease in salary might decrease in your performance, or a decrease in salary might increase your performance because you want to show your performance or work hard to increase your salary. So fit as a covariation. In organization, there are so many factors which makes organization complex. What increases or decreases employee motivation? What increases or decreases organizational performance? What increases or decreases the productivity of employees, which ultimately make the productivity of an organization? It's a complex phenomenon, and we need to understand and we need to look through the factor which is known as a fit in strategic human resource management. Is your variables or factors fit together very well? If yes, you see the organization as a whole is greater than the sum of its parts. Thank you.